Maybe I'll learn something. Who knows? I don't know if I really believe that. I don't know how this ever got started. People will do anything they see on the internet, won't they? Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Connelly from St. John's Dental Care in St. John's, Michigan. And today we're going to be making some comments about some TikTok videos that have become viral. Oh, this is the gross. This is so gross, watching someone brush their teeth with charcoal. I don't know how this ever got started. People will do anything they see on the internet, won't they? Ugh. That is so gross. I don't know. It's just a marketing gimmick. To me, I just see using charcoal toothpaste as a marketing gimmick. I've never really seen anybody that's used it, but one of my big concerns is there's no fluoride in that toothpaste, and fluoride has been very effective topically as far as stopping or limiting decay.
About this miracle teeth whitening serum, literally before I do anything, I apply my High Smile every single morning. Right after I brush my teeth, I put 2 pumps onto my toothbrush and I brush my teeth. Now this is a color correcting serum, so yes, your teeth do get whiter over time, but also it turns your teeth from that eggshell or kind of yellow color to absolutely white.
I don't know if I really believe that. It's pretty gross stuff. There's other tooth color, tooth whitening toothpaste on the market I'd rather see people using.
You guys will not believe what it does to my teeth. Look at how white we get in the results. Make sure you order it now because they're having a massive blowout sale today. So
notice it's a big sale. It's all marketing. I think Colgate actually makes a substance you can paint on your teeth that makes them look whiter too. I don't have any personal favorite whitening toothpaste, but the Colgate white teeth, Opti-White, I think they call it, is very good. Because one of the things we do see is that a lot of young adults who have the more yellowish kind of tinge to their teeth, they could really benefit from whitening. And we use a different tray system to whiten people's teeth. And in a young person, it works very good. Someone like me, I've tried it and tried it and tried it, and my teeth don't get very much whiter than what they are. Do-it-yourself braces on TikTok?
Do my braces with me at home.
The way you move it, got me in a trance. DJ turn me on, ladies get so jammed. I'm a Moscato.
There has been a very large corporation that used to have braces that you just go to the storefront. You get, they take scans of your teeth and you send it in. They went bankrupt. It doesn't work. I don't know why people think that they can move their teeth with braces. Dentistry is not a do-it-yourself procedure.
You gon' need a man, and I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. Girl, drop it to the floor, the way I booty go.
They're actually etching their teeth. They include etchant gel in this tooth to put the brackets on. What if they get it in the wrong position? Their teeth aren't going to move properly. I don't think she got braces on her teeth that straight. I think she must have come from some dental office. I wouldn't try that at home.
They sell those braces kits on Temu and Shein, and you can get them for just a couple bucks.
Really? I get what you pay for. Fix my veneers at home.
I'm gonna fix my veneers today. Okay, so last night I broke
Fix her veneers at home. Maybe I'll learn something. Who knows?
2 veneers, but I just fixed them. I don't recommend that you do this at home, but if you want to
That's a very good idea. Don't do it at home. Come see Dr. Capen. She's really good at it.
Want to watch me do this at home? Keep watching. These are all professional grade products.
Oh my gosh, if I'd known you could do that by yourself, I wouldn't have wasted all my time and money going to dental school. So do these kids have lights and bonding agent and etch it and everything? Oh my God. This person missed her call and she should have been a dental assistant or a dentist. It's pretty amazing what they can do with the kits that they sell. Say it's do-it-yourself, and actually, I think she probably did a pretty good job patching things up, but I wouldn't recommend it. Fixed veneers at home.
I am so happy I'm not alone. So I made a valid attempt at pulling my own tooth as well recently with a pair of pliers, only because they're baby teeth. They literally just crumble. So now I just have tooth like stuck in my gum.
I've actually talked to people who have taken out their own teeth and they tell me I wouldn't recommend it because it hurt like hell.
My gum and the rest of the tooth as I grabbed it with the pliers just crumbled. It just crumbled. It was like stepping on a Cheerio. It was the craziest. I don't even know, like, can I show you this? It might get removed by TikTok. It's serious, look.
It looks like she left part of the tooth in there. She may have just taken the broken part out. Sometimes it can make it much more difficult for us to remove the teeth. I just did a patient exam today and he said, well, the tooth's not really bothering me. Can I get it? Can I just wait? I said, well, the longer you wait, the more it decays, the more it breaks down, and the harder it is to get out. Some people I see, their teeth just rot off. I don't know why some people don't have pain. I can't explain it, but their teeth just rot right off. And then they end up seeing us and we just take out little pieces of teeth as we make teeth for them. I don't know.
It is a bestseller, a most loved, and it's fluoride free. This toothpaste by Boca, y'all, I've been using this for over 2 years. It is whitening, it helps maintain enamel, it promotes oral health.
Right now, fluoride is under a lot of scrutiny, especially with RFK as the Secretary of Health. But fluoride has been shown to be very effective with preventing decay in topical use in toothpaste. Hydroxyapatite, sometimes they combine that in a fluoride toothpaste. That may not be too bad. And sometimes people who just are against fluoride want to use it. So maybe something like this is worth a try, but I wouldn't recommend it.
It has a mint flavor, and I love the fact it's fluoride free because it's clean. It also has NHA, which is considered a revolutionary material with a wide use in dentistry and oral health care. But
I don't even know what NHA is. I think if they're talking about hydroxyapatite, it may be part of a lot of products that are calcium based, and calcium is shown to help remineralize some parts of teeth.
Because of its safety. So you no longer have to choose between, natural toothpaste and safety and science-backed ones, because this one has both.
I don't know if you can trust what she's saying. I always recommend that you look forward to a toothpaste that has the ADA, American Dental Association seal of approval, because they have investigated that scientifically and know that it's safe and effective for your use. All right.
You guys, it's about... Get ready with me to super glue my tooth in. Taking the Dentec out of it because
I do not recommend, or we do not recommend, putting your crown back in with super glue. You have to get crowns just right in just properly. It may not seal it off. We may not be able to get it off when you come in, and you may be subject to getting a lot of decay.
Dentec doesn't work. Don't worry, I have a dentist appointment in the morning. Bye. Hello there.
Well, we recommend if you do have a crown coming off and you want to put it back on before you can get to see your dentist, sometimes something as effective as just putting some toothpaste in there or some denture adhesive that you can purchase at a drugstore. That is very effective, easy for us to clean, and I would recommend that over super glue. With the little stubs that this person shows on her video, those are not veneers. They look like they're full crowns where a lot of tooth was removed. For that, and when you just have a little stub of a tooth left, crowns will fall off much more easier. I think she's in a lot of trouble based on how things look, and by trouble I mean finding a suitable replacement that's going to be long lasting and aesthetic. And this person is only 25 years old. Already they're falling apart and they look like they're decayed and not much left on this video. I think at her age with long-term prognosis is she's going to end up getting implants to replace all her teeth.
This isn't a drill. I'm in Hawaii and it happened again. My tooth is in her purse.
I was talking to her. I was mid-conversation with her and was...
One of the things I'd comment about is her young age. As dentists, we're very reluctant to take away a lot of good tooth structure to make a crown for a front tooth, and then also to match one tooth in the front to the rest of your teeth is very, very difficult. If it matches perfectly, we got lucky, or you spent thousands of dollars for that crown.
Praying a corn kernel fell out of her mouth. It was a tooth.
I don't know what to say. This person is in bad luck, that's for sure. I don't know if that's the only crown that she has. Probably, since they all look beautiful and perfect, so they're probably all crowns. Again, she could use something like toothpaste or denture adhesive to get it on temporarily, but she needs to see her dentist to get it done properly. The moral of the story in all these videos is dentistry is not a do-it-yourself project. See a licensed dentist to have your work done. And also, some of these people, the work that they had done on this, it was very, very, very extreme at a young age. So I would always get a second opinion to see what my alternatives are. Just because you get your teeth crowned or even with implants doesn't mean they're going to last forever. And there's always age-appropriate treatment that can be done for people.